Guys, you have so many questions, especially for Apple Watch Faces. And on my Instagram account, iGeeksblog, you have asked me like how to set Casio custom watch face on Apple Watch, Rolex watch face on Apple Watch, and so many. Not to worry, I am here to answer all your questions and will guide you how you can set custom watch face on your Apple Watch. Hello everyone, I am Nikhil from iGeeksblog, and today I'll guide you how you can set customized watch face on your Apple Watch. One app, Clockology, helped me to get this all custom watch faces. And now I turn my Apple Watch from this boring face to customized amazing face like this. Watch this video till the end just because every single step is important, and I'm sure you will be surprised by seeing a custom watch face collection. And you can also surprise me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and turning on all the notifications to never miss such great content from us. Now if you have done that, let's talk about how you can set a custom watch face with the help of Clockology. The very first thing is to download Clockology app on your iPhone. Once it's downloaded, open it and it will show you a welcome screen. Swipe down and ignore it. Now head over to Watch app on your iPhone. Over here, install Clockology app. By default, it is installed at the time you install the app on iPhone. If not, then you will see a recommendation to install it. Now we need to tweak some settings in Watch app. Navigate to General. Over here, look for the Return to the Clock. Set it to the maximum time for an hour. Let me remind you one more time, like you have to follow each and every step perfectly. If you will not, then probably it will not work on your iPhone and Apple Watch. So make sure you are following every step perfectly. Now we need to take a help of Clockology fans Facebook group. In this group, search for a beta file and find the link to download the files on your iPhone. Here is one user who shared the beta file. Open this link in the browser and download the file. Open that file and it will prompt to open Clockology app on your Apple Watch. Let me do that. And the beta profile is successfully installed. Now open Clockology app on your iPhone and browse example clocks. Usually example clocks folder is there. If not, then on your iPhone look for a Clockology folder, and in that there is a folder for example clocks. Now select any watch face and tap and hold it, and it will show an option to watch sync. Tap on sync and make sure to open Clockology app on Apple Watch too. Once it's done, it will ask you to allow access to health data. I suggest to give access to all health data, and after that it will show our steps counts, workout details, calories we burn, and more. Once it's done, now it's time to get Casio or a Rolex or some other custom watch faces. To get that, head over to Facebook group, that Clockology fan. Over here, browse customized watch faces shared by the user, or you can search for a specific watch face like Casio. Let me search for a Casio watch face. Scroll down and pick the one you like. I like this one. Tap on the link shared in that Facebook post. Open that link in browser and download the watch face file. Now open the downloaded file and it will be synced in the Clockology app. Now tap and hold the watch face and select Watch Sync. Now tap on Sync to add watch face. Now open Clockology app on your Apple Watch and select the watch face you just installed. Just like this, you can find and install so many customized watch faces on your Apple Watch. I'm sure this guide helped you a lot and you are surprised with seeing this n number of customized watch faces for your Apple Watch. Do let me know in the comment section down below. And yes, one more thing, like this video, share this video if you liked it really, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to enjoy such great content from us. Also, download our all new iGeeksblog app to stay updated about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.